So I wanted to show you first, this is the caddy that I take around the whole house with me. I have water in here, my cleaning cloths, some Method products, 409, and Windex. I always put my Bluetooth headphones in to listen to some music. I'm going to start with the kids' bathroom. So these two Method products are super streaky. I am not happy with them at all. So I'm going to start with just good old 409. This room used to be our nursery, but now that our kids are older, we went ahead and got rid of the crib and the hutch. And so now it's the playroom. Our boy co-sleeps, which we absolutely love. And so right now this is a playroom. However, his clothes are still in this room in bins, but we did buy a brand new dresser, white dresser, that we're going to put back into this room. And because we are selling this house, we aren't committed totally yet to building it. So we're gonna wait and see. This is my daughter's brand new backpack that she chose for kindergarten. It's so super cute. And this is her lunchbox. I like to clean it every day she comes home from school. This is called Clean Smart and it kills bacteria and viruses. So I just wipe it down really, really well, let it air dry, and then I make sure the backpack is also disinfected. These are reusable glass cleaning cloths. They used to leave streaks with Windex, but I'm going to try them for the first time with this method glass cleaner, and it actually worked out better than with Windex, so I'm going to keep them. It still is a little bit streaky, but not as much as before.